If you have a project vehicle that you're working on that's covered in rust, we have the answers. Stay tuned and we can show you how to accomplish this. Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center, and today I'm here to talk to you about POR-15 Rust Prevention. Do you have a project car where the chassis is starting to rust or is already covered in rust? Then you'll definitely want to check out POR-15. This is a simple to use 3-step system with clean, prep, and coat, which makes all the hard work of removing rust a thing of the past. Step 1 is clean. Simply spray on their cleaner degreaser in order to remove any dirt, oil, or grime, and it won't leave any residues, noxious fumes, or flammable solvents. Step 2 is prep. The POR-15 metal prep provides the best adhesion for the POR-15 Rust Preventive Coating on any metal surface, even on a shiny metal surface. Step 3 is coat. The POR-15 Rust Prevention Coating is a high-tech rust preventative coating that is for use on stable rust or on seasoned metal surfaces. This coating is a permanent rust preventative coating with a hammer-tough finish that is resistant to acids and alkalis and repels all oils and fuels. Also available from POR-15 is the weld-through primer. This is a really great product for helping keeping the rust out of your welds. And when welding your painted areas, this will reduce the welding heat zone, which will reduce distortion and from burning your painted areas. Now that I've talked to you a little bit about POR-15, I want to show you the results after the 3-step process. This rusty rear axle is a great example of what your chassis might look like. POR-15 will give you the great finish of this restored crossmember without the cost of sandblasting and powder coating. Best of all is this is a brush-on finish, so you don't need to buy any expensive equipment to apply it. This is a very easy DIY solution to stop rust permanently. Say goodbye to rust permanently with POR-15 products available at all JB's locations and jbspowercenter.com.